Hello, in this video I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read it first. The current in a single loop circuit with one resistance R is 5 ampere. When additional resistance of 2 ohm is inserted in series with R, the current drops to 4 ampere. Okay, because this is a physics problem, we should always draw it, right? So let's draw the circuit first. The initial circuit is a single loop circuit. So we have a battery here with unknown voltage, and then this one will be the positive terminal and negative terminal, and we have that connected with a single resistor R. Okay, so we will have our single resistor here as R, and then the current that pass through this resistance here is 5 ampere. So we will have this. Maybe let's name this as I, and that will be 5 ampere. Okay, and if you see here, this will form a loop, right? And we can do the loop rule to this single loop circuit to find out what is E here. Okay, so we can do the loop rule. And the loop rule said that the sum of the voltage in a single loop will equal to 0. Okay, but we have to be very careful about the sign here. We have already have the sign of the battery, but for the resistor, I usually use this convention. The plus sign is where the current comes from, and it will goes to the negative terminal here. Good. And then here, let's start from this battery here, and the current enter from the negative terminal, so I will have negative sign. So I have minus, and then we will have our E here. It is unknown. And then we will have plus, and we enter this resistance here from the positive terminal. So we'll have IR. I multiplied by R, right? We need voltage here. So I multiply the current by the resistance, and all of that will equal to 0. Good, and now let's plug that 5 here, so I'll have minus E plus 5R is equal to 0, and so we will have E is equal to 5R. Okay, now this is the initial circuit. Okay, nothing that we can do further from this. Let's draw another circuit with an additional resistance here. So we will have this R here. Okay, we will have R, and that will be in series with 2 ohm resistor. So we will have 2 ohm here. Okay, so we'll have 2, and then we also have the same battery, right? So we don't change the battery, and this one will be positive terminal and negative terminal, and this one will have the voltage of E. Good. And again, we can play the same game here. So we will have our I here. Let's name this as I2. That will be 4 ampere, right? So this also I2, and I2 is 4 ampere. Good, and this also form a single loop, right? And we can also use the loop rule. So the loop rule said that the sum of the voltage in a loop will equal to 0. Good. Now what can we do from here? Let's start from this voltage source here, or the battery, and the current entering from this negative terminal. So I'll have again the negative sign, minus, and the voltage will be E here. And then for the resistor, remember we have the plus sign where the current comes from, and where the current goes to is the negative one. And this also the same, so the plus is here, the minus is here. And here, the current entering from the positive terminal. So we will have plus I2 multiplied by R, right? And then plus I2 multiplied by 2. So I will have 2I2. And all of that will equal to 0 here. And so we will have, what is it? Minus E plus I2. But I2 is 4 ampere, so I'll have 4R and then plus we will have 2 multiplied by 4. All of that will equal to 0. And I think I can isolate E here. And so we will have for R and then plus 8, right? So here we have equation number 1, and this one is equation number 2. Number 2. Okay, now what can we do here? We can plug this E into this E here because they are the same E, right? So let's do that. Substitute 1, 2, 2. Okay, and we will have 5R here, 5R, and then that will equal to 4R plus 8. We can subtract 4R to the both sides, right? So I'll have 5R minus 4R, and that will equal to 8, or we can have R is equal to 8 ohm. And I think we have answered the question, right? We have our R here, 8 ohm. It is the one that is asked by the question R. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.